Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I'm doing an update on our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. There's going to be a couple changes to it, all for the better. So first thing I'm going to do is bring up the slideshow part over here. And let's go on down here to, yes, so it is the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. All right, there was some questions concerning the rule 1 here. And so basically it's clarified it, just in writing here. So you must be subscribed to the channel and have rung the bell. And click the thumbs up, the like button on the original giveaway video. Now you can also do it on this one as well. The sharing is still the same. You can share it on the link for this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever else. I posted the link to this on my Facebook page. If you see that, you can go ahead and share that out, and that'll let me know that you've shared it as well. So, and that's the one problem that's come up here with YouTube. I was getting emails saying, "Oh, here, I shared it out here," but the comments weren't showing up on the video. They try to type it in, but it wasn't sticking. But I get the email saying, "Hey, I shared it here on Facebook. I shared it here on Twitter." So I've been saving those emails and all the posts, and I've been compiling them on this little spreadsheet just in case everything doesn't show up by the time it comes to do the drawing. I have that I can do the wheel of fortune draw and put everybody's name on there for each time they shared it and how they shared it, and then let it spin, and everyone can see how that works. So that may be how it's going to wind up being done, because YouTube's is having a habit of dropping comments. So if you post it somewhere else and you can't get the link to post it in a comment or whatever, very simple resolution to take a screenshot to that. And if you're not sure how to do the screenshot on your computer, up on the let me bring my keyboard up here and show you where it says insert there, and below it, it says print screen. What you do is you just click the print screen button. So it's in blue. So you got to hold down the FN blue key down here, the function key, hit print screen, and it will do it. Now, some other keyboards just have it simple. I can get this over here from the other computer. Have a standalone print screen button. You just want to print screen, and then you hit the print screen button. It doesn't print it out immediately. Then you go just open up an email to camppattonfamilycompound@gmail.com. In the body, just paste it there. Control V or right click paste, and it'll put it in there, and that will prove that you've sent it out. All right, so getting over the YouTube glitches and other social media glitches for copying and pasting links. So once again, it's still for every medium or time that you share it out, you get, enter a separate comment, do a screenshot, whatever it is, get that information to me that, hey, here it is, I shared it. And that way I can compile it up and give you points for that. So the next one here. Now, we ran into the little glitchy I talked about on the original one. The drawing will be on the Friday night special live stream of the next week following the day that will reaches 1,500 subscribers, except if it's on that Friday and the Saturday. Well, that's what happened was on this last Friday night special, we went long. After about an hour and a half, we started talking about other things as well, about preparedness and stuff. And about 2 hours going over, we got a quote, love raid. I'm still not sure who instigated it, but picked up about 100 50 subscribers, and boom, that pushed me over the 1,500 mark. So following the down here about confirmation reach and drawing will be done in the live stream, and there'll be 2 live streams in between, so I can get the word out that we've made it besides just this video. So it will be on Friday, the Friday night special, Friday the 16th of this month. That's when the drawing is going to be. And right now I am still at, I'm now down to 1,549 subscribers. So I'm still above the 1,500 mark. So it looks like it may stick unless YouTube tries to take them all away Monday morning. Now I've also added a 4th place winner. I've added another prize to it. Let me reach over here and grab it. And so those of you who saw the video I did on the Zippo plasma lighter and the waterproof case for it, I've added that to the prize list. Those together are one prize. There it is. The Zippo plasma arc lighter and the waterproof case are one of the choices. So anyways, this is what the new list is. And like I said, when it comes to the canning lids, the first person that chooses canning lids has their choice. They can take all 4 of one size, all 4 of the other size, a mixture thereof, and then that leaves the remaining 4 boxes, mixture of whatever for whoever gets the next one. So that's where we're at. And we are going to be running the on the 16th of April. We will do the drawing. I think if there's anything else, I can't think of anything else. At the end of this video clip, I'll be posting a link to the original 1,500 subscriber giveaway video and a couple other videos you may want to take a look at. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. Also, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, even if you don't want to participate in the giveaway, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn it from red to gray. You click the notification bell, and that means you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. It doesn't mean you have to watch it. It just says, hey, Camppatton Compound has uploaded blah, blah, blank video, and you can decide whether you want to watch it or not. And if you can, give me a thumbs up. It helps out with the YouTube analytics, and we all know how screwed up that is right now. Anyways, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to check out these here at the end.